In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online. This simple yet powerful tool can help manage customer balances and ensure your accounting records accurately reflect every transaction. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, let's talk about creating a credit note, often referred to as a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll see the plus new button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, under the Customer section, select Credit Memo. This action will bring up a new credit memo form. You'll need to choose the customer who is receiving this credit. This is an essential step since it links the credit note to the right customer account. After selecting the customer, make sure to fill in the date of the credit memo along with any other relevant details required. These might include the invoice number or other reference information that helps you identify the transaction later. Now, you'll want to add the products or services being credited. Be sure to include both the quantity and amount for each item or service. QuickBooks allows you to add descriptions, so if there is any additional information that needs to be noted about why you're issuing this credit, write it down here. Once you've completed this form to your satisfaction, simply click Save and Close to finalize this part of the process. The next step is to apply the credit note to an invoice. Again, head back to the plus new button and select Receive Payment. Choose the same customer to whom the credit was originally issued. QuickBooks will present you with a list displaying their open invoices, and any available credits form the credit memo. To apply this credit, you have two options. You can either check the box next to the credit memo or manually enter the amount you want to apply against the invoice. If you're recording a payment in addition to applying the credit, you'll also need to enter the payment date and method at this time. This ensures that your records are comprehensive and clear. Once you're done, click Save and Close, and you're done with this phase. Finally, it's always a good idea to verify that the credit has been correctly applied. To do this, navigate to Sales and then Customers in the main menu. Select the customer in question and review their transaction list to confirm that the credit memo has been applied appropriately. If you want to take it a step further, you can run reports such as the customer balance detail to double check your work. And that's it! You've successfully created and applied a credit note in QuickBooks Online. Remember, using credit notes effectively can streamline your billing process and keep your customer accounts accurate. If you need further assistance with issuing refunds or managing customer credits, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.